is one of the Kwati. I gave him some meat and chicken to eat. And today is April 24th, 2025. I left some food for him here on top of the garbage. I hope he sees it. Come. Yeah, go up, 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 up. Go up. I left food for you up on top of the garbage.
Yes, yeah.
سبت له أكل فوق الزبالة. Come on. Here. Up. Yeah. Oh, I have a little bit left over of my dinner, chicken and beef. They love to eat the meat. But overall they eat. Yeah, he went into the garbage can and the poor guy, he only found a little bone and he just, oh, was it from you? Okay. Yeah, and he got the chicken bone and he started to chew on it, but he's looking for food. I left food on top of the garbage, but he's not coming there. Here he comes. I guess I have to give it to him. لازم اديها له.
Now you're going to turn around and walk away.
But I have more to give him. He'll come back.
Hey, come here.
He will come back. Once he finishes what is in his hand, he'll come back. Here he is. And I'll give him more. Here. Well, they are hungry souls.
I think
It's
they're
hard.
roaches.
It's
They're
hard.
like- we've got raccoons at home that are huge.
Yes.
When I first saw him, I said, he looks like a raccoon, but
Yeah.
a skinny raccoon.
Yeah, he is from the family of raccoons,
Yeah.
but they call him Kwati,
Yeah.
or coatis.
Coati, yeah.
Yeah.
The doorman told us at the front, or the porter at the front, he said they're called coatis or something, and he said...
Coati
Yeah.
or coatis. Yeah.
And he said
They're very
they
cute.
they're wild animals, so they can turn on you. You've got to be careful.
Oh yeah. Well, you just don't want to touch them. I never touch them.
No.
And they can come and steal the food from your purse if you have food in the purse.
Really, your husband was saying that
They
they'll
could.
take a bag and drag it into
And
the...
drag it. Yeah.
You are something else. My
Yeah.
goodness.
He's really hungry. I give him a good
Did you
size.
hear me say there was a squirrel above me,
Yeah.
hanging upside down, chewing the fruit? And
Oh.
he was pelting me with the fruit because all he wanted
Oh.
was seeds inside.
Oh.
And I couldn't figure out where it was coming from. Don't come any closer, mister.
Oh. See, he's really having a good time. He got a good meal today. Huh? It's your lucky day, little
They
guy.
probably do go in the garbage and sort through.
They do, yeah. But there isn't much food in the garbage here.
No. Well, they probably clear it fast.
Huh. That's a good boy. You got a good meal today. Okay, bye-bye, little fellow.